Today I got Buldak and seafood. First bites for me. Mussel, lemon, shrimp. Cheers. Buldak, shrimp, perfect bite. That on shrimp is so good. Y'all, I don't know why, but these have the texture of Lao mein now that they've been soaking in the seafood sauce. It's super good. Mussel, Buldak, lemon. Y'all, is there seriously a combination that Buldak would be nasty with? Because everything I've tried Buldak with has been 10 out of 10. Comment some suggestions, like combinations with Buldak that you think would be kind of nasty, or do you think that would be kind of good that I should try? But anyways, until next time, I love y'all so much. Stay positive. Bye. First bites for you. Look at how good that looks, y'all. Look at all these rice cakes. The perfect first bite. Cheers. My teeth are aching a little bit. That is kind of concerning me, but it might be the lemon juice. Cheers. The only thing that I need with this is like fresh slices of jalapeno on top, and this would be perfect. Literally. Cheers. Starting with the lobster tail, lemon, mussel, crab legs, lemon, crab, the perfect mussel. Cheers. Shrimp. If you're not eating the shell, you're really missing out. Y'all can have this bite. I don't know why y'all didn't want that. Egg. Tater. Y'all look at that mussel. Crab legs. Last bite. Also have dumplings, cheesy rice cake, and I have crab. First bites for you. Look at these mussels. Look at that mussel, y'all. Some crab. Egg. Look at that.